Hello family, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on your time zone. Welcome to God Disciple channel. Here I want to introduce my husband to you. This is my best friend, Kingsley Ndubisezem. Darling, say hi to the family. Our YouTube family.
Hi guys, how is it going today? Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. You're welcome to our channel.
Yes, so it's our channel. It's for all of us. Do well to subscribe, like, and always comment. Always come back to support your own, because we are your own, we are your family. Please.
And most importantly, introduce this channel to your friends and folks, around.
Yes, you. And may the
Understand.
Lord bless you as you do so. God bless you. Hi family. It's incredible. I've ordered for African food stuff for the past 1 month, and they gave me the assurance that the package is going to arrive within 5 working days. But quite unfortunate, it's almost a month now. I just received the package and this is it. So I want to unbox it with you to know whether what I ordered is exactly what they bought. Secondly, to know if the content is still good, because some of them are perishable things that at least if it had arrived within the 5 working days, you will get them in good state. But now I don't even know how it's going to look like, but I just pray that I'll get some things from it. Okay, let's start to unbox it. Darling is going to assist me to unbox it. Okay?
Okay guys, we'll start.
It's quite unfortunate how people do business in Nigeria. They will promise you heaven and earth, that this and that, and the worst is that they will charge you. You think that after charging you all the money that they are going to deliver as promised, but all those are fake promises.
Fake news.
Fake news. May the Lord help us. Okay? Sorry. Oh my God. Yeah.
This one's okay.
Thank God, this one is okay.
Kola nuts.
This is kola nuts.
Igbo si onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ.
Wetara ndụ, make we dey eat life to its fullness. Oji Igbo. May una come join us. Enjoy the Oji. We are inviting you. In Igbo culture, when somebody visits you, this is what with this and water, that's what you use to welcome the person in the first place, before serving the person food. So you are welcome. You see, it's an open invitation. You are welcome. Okay. Wow, this is a package upon package. Package upon package. Okay. Ghana must go. Ghana must go, Nigeria must stay. So, yeah. Well, I know this will be intact. This is my memory plate. Though I had some, but I needed extra. So, this is it. I wonder if it's complete. Because yeah, this is my Ogiri locust bean. You know, made in Africa, made in Nigeria in particular, to spice up our food. They say this medicinal, natural, unique, so I usually use it to cook my soup. And it smells a lot. Okay, this is Ugba. Ugba, for those of us from Igbo land, you know, we use Ugba to, like, it's African salad, they call it. I have forgotten the English name. This is it. Okay, I will soak it in water overnight before preparing it. Make ungo sauce with orishi, as okporoko, cow food, pomo, you know, cow skin, all of that. Azo, any type of azo can go, and vegetable. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay. So this is the second pack of Ugba too. They were asking me, do I want to do traditional marriage? Say my children do traditional marriage. This one that I'm ordering plenty Ugba.
Yeah. Well, the issue is that now we have it. Since 2019, we came with some, and it's finished. And since then, we have not.
We've been longing to eat Ugba. You know, sometimes you meet all those local delicacies.
Yeah, we are.
Where is the razor? Let me use the razor.
It's Ugba that can last us for some time now.
Okay, this is my powder. I usually, when I was in Nigeria, I like the powder, so I asked my sister to buy it for me. The one I have is almost finished. Okay, first things I bought for making my hair. This is thread. Nigerian hair thread for hair. Rubber, they call it rubber for hair making.
And I will be helping you to make the hair.
Yes, so my husband is expert in making hair.
I'll be smart there. Hey, this one is bitter kola.
This is bitter kola. For those of us that knows it, it's also part of what we use to welcome people from our village. Okay? They call it ikoji. When you have a guest, you serve them this. Either with, if you have kola, ordinary kola, you can combine it with kola, you can combine it with garden egg, or groundnut sauce, pepper sauce, and present to your guests. And when they receive it, they know that, yeah, you have welcomed them. Okay? And also, you can also add it to Ugba. So, I will carry you along when I prepare these things, okay? Let me see what is inside here. I think this should be Ogiri too.
Kola nuts.
This is Ogiri too. Locust beans. This is kola nut too. Okay, this is the native kola nut, the Igbo type of from Igbo land. This is a Oji Igbo. Yes, Oji Igbo.
The other one is
Why
Gworo.
this one is Gworo? It's Hausas they produce it. In our place they say that is the Hausas that the Yorubas that plant kola nuts. Why the Hausas eat it and the Igbos they honor kola nuts. There's no ceremony in Igbo land without kola nuts. This is what you use to welcome your guests. Okay, so our people honor kola nuts so much.
And one thing with this one, bring it.
The
One thing with this one is that like the other one, the Gworo type, you use knife, to cut it into pieces. But this one, you don't.
Is in lobes.
You don't use knife.
Like some of them have 4 lobes,
Some
6
7
lobes,
and some 3.
7, 8. It depends. Like this one right here, it has 3 lobes. You can see. So
You don't touch it with knife.
Special. Oh my goodness. That's what I said. I actually ordered Aki Awusa. I don't know what they call it. Okay, tiger nuts. I remember. Tiger nuts. This is tiger nuts. I used to use it, extract the milk because it's natural. And when you do it yourself, it don't add sugar. So you do it to yourself. Add ginger to it. It's medicinal. And also they say there is a enhancer. So when you want to do jiggy, you can prepare this and serve your oga and yourself. You eat, drink it, and you will know how far. This is also part of the Ugba. Locust beans. Now I remember. Is it locust beans?
Locust beans, I will agree.
I think it's locust beans in English too. You can make ogiri from Ugba too. Yes, because in our place, in our place, they usually prepare ogiri from Ugba. That's fermentation process. Wow. They bought alligator pepper for me. They know that we are traditional people. So when you join this with bitter kola nuts, and eat it, wow.
And
the taste is special and it's medicinal.
Yeah.
Okay, this is part of my moi plate. The one I bought over here, it was so expensive, and the worst was that they didn't complete it 1 dozen. They gave me 8 pieces for 1 dozen. I was so annoyed that okay, since I've already ordered it, let me just be managing it for now. I'm going to upload the video where I use it to cook. Okay. How are you smelling it?
I don't know what it is, man.
You unpackage it, you unlock it, you untie it, other than smelling it.
That's what I'm going to do. I just have to be careful.
I think this is it okay? I know. My sister told me about it.
Okay.
Oh, I've forgotten the English name, but this seed is so bitter. They usually grow it in Benin part of Nigeria. It's so bitter, and they say it's good for watching weight, that's losing weight, and monitoring of. It can also be good for controlling sugar. Yeah, diabetes. Okay. Let's see this. Oh wow. Yeah. Well,
Is this still good?
I don't think it's good. I thought about that. I want to grow a small garden in front of my balcony, and I asked my sister to buy ugu seed for me, with the intention that the goods will arrive within 5 days. But unfortunately, it's almost a month. This is ugu seed, pumpkin leaf seed, our own native for pumpkin leaf seed. But it's I don't think this can survive. It's already spoiled.
We'll take a good look at it.
It's not good. Something that have been packaged for the past 3 weeks. Nothing. This one is gone. That is the disadvantage of Nigerian services to us. Okay, this is finished. What is inside that one? Okay. This is the
wine,
it's not wine. In a herbal drink that I ordered for cleansing. Jigsimur. Yeah, Jigsimur. I heard that it's a very good product. So I wanted to test it. They say it controls several things. Hypertension, high cholesterol, diabetes, stroke, various STDs, various things. Okay? Maybe I will upload the video about the product. You can equally try it. I just pray that the roots are intact. Because I'm seeing some kind of one kind of color here. Okay, well, this is still good. This is the product. Jigsimur. Okay. That's all that are inside. Jigsimur. And I think they have 4 bottles there. Yeah, family. Thank you so much for staying by. Once again, this is God is Able channel. You are welcome to our family. Okay, my old subscribers, thank you so much. Thumbs up for supporting your own. Our new subscribers, please don't hesitate to.
You are all welcome.
Press that subscription button. Okay, like our videos, comment. God will bless you because He is able to do all things.
Yes.
Thank you. Have a wonderful week ahead.
And God bless.
And God bless you. Till our next vlog. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.